What's up, guys? Welcome to Friendly Poker Nights. This is your host, Justin. So, dito tayo mag-organize ng mga live tsaka online poker events. Maraming magagaling na players dito sa group na to. Mga champion tsaka mga regular cash game players. Ayan, nauna si Tony Winston Gafford ng Comelec. He won the Tagaytay Masonic Lodge 165 iPad poker tournament. Yeah, he won an iPad sa poker tournament. Renz won a poker tournament with Domino Lux in Taft. Lasal. Roy, cash game player. Gringo, cash game player. Rai from Singapore, very good player too. Lagi akong tinatalo ng mga yan sa Taft. Silang dalawa ni Maan. Yan, si Maan. Andun si Maan. Andrew, regular player at Resorts World. Tito Ray, cash game player. There's Maan. So we have here members of Domino Lux who are into poker. And members of Tagaytay Masonic Lodge 165. Kuya Ronald PGT. Ayan, si Kuya Gilbert. Lagi yang on top of the standings sa Zynga. Kuya Ryan, very well cash game player. You have your engineer, Jay Ragudo. Si Box. Laging nagaya saan mag-poker dati. Sa kanya ako nagsimulang matuto ng poker at naunang matalo. Yan, Ninong Butch. Awesome player. Awesome poker player. So yeah, maraming magagaling mag-poker dito. So that might get you going. This is a competitive group. So how do we start? How do we join? So first, you have to visit homegames.com. Ito. Visit homegames.com. Yan, loading. Yan, madadownload mo yung software dyan. So, ito yung software. So, you just have to create an account. So, to join our group, click Home Games and then join a poker club. And club ID number, yan, meron tayo dyan nakalista. Invitation code is Tagaytay. Ito nakalista dito sa group natin. And it's for free. You can download the software for free and we can do events na libre. Walang buy-in. Pwede rin may buy-in. Pwede rin walang buy-in. It's up to you. Pwede tayo mag-set ng premyo. We can organize our own events. Pwede cash game. Pwede tournament. Pwede tayo mag-organize ng tournament natin sarili. Yeah. So, yan, pwedeng cash game, pwedeng play money. Play money, libre lang sa Poker Stars. So yeah, there you have it. That's the group. Pwede kayong mag-join. But you can also do other stuff on PokerStars. Like join a tournament. Like a micro buy-in tournament. Ito, mga mura lang buy-in. Pag micro buy-in, mura lang. Ibig sabihin, 0.02 lang yung buy-in. Kaya 0.10. So, yan. $1 buy-in. $500 ang price pool. Pwede ring high. Pwede ring, ayan, pwede nga dito sumali. Tapos, ayan, syempre, mas malaking buy-in, mas malaking price pool. So, meron din cash games kalaban ibang players. Pero yun nga, yun yung sinasabi ko. Pwede tayo mag-organize ng cash games or play money games natin. Here at our own group. So, for the experience, to give you guys an idea of the experience, ito bigyan ko kayo ng idea. Dito sa replay ko kanina. Play! Ito ako, this is my Mustang Day. Inspired by Dad's Mustang. I have 5-4 on the dealer button. Raise 500. Dami naman ng chips. This is a tournament, by the way. Possible straight ako. Merong flush draw. Pot building. Nag-raise ako para lumaki yung pot. Para kung nga may alas ako. Yun, lumabas ng 3. Nabuo yung straight. All in, ayaw na maniwala na may straight ako. Kala niya paralas lang. Top kicker siya, yo. So yeah, that's the experience of a hand on this online platform. So if you guys have any questions, mag-comment lang kayo. Yeah, and also we are organizing this event. We have an event here for us this coming October. I organized this for us. Pampagana. Yeah, this one on October 26, 27 yan sa Pilipinas. So, yun sa calendar niya, October 27. We're giving away a prize pool of 10,000 pesos from Vogue Studios mobile apps and web. So, Vogue Studios yan, gumagawa kami ng website, ng apps. Kung kailangan nyo for your company or for any of your ideas on the mobile platform, the mobile device, yeah, we can give you a hand. So if you're an owner of a company, maybe an app or a website would help you more. Yeah, for the tournament, we have a prize pool of 10,000 pesos. First place takes 5,000 plus a trophy for the 2012 online friendly poker tournament champion. Yan. Second place 2,500. Third place 1,250. Fourth place 1,250. So, October 27 yan. 26 kasi nandito ako sa Vancouver, late ng one day. 27 yan sa atin. What time? What time? Makikita nyo lang yan dun sa ano. Pero that's most likely 7 PM in the Philippines. So yeah, please join our group. Makapagsimula tayo makapag-poker online, or pwede kayo mag-organize na events dyan. These are very nice people, very friendly people na pwede nyo makalaro. Malalapit lang sila sa location ninyo at magagaling sila maglaro. So if you're really into poker, this is the group for our region. So I'll see you around. I hope you enjoy the video. We'll make more videos soon to keep track. My best regards to your family. Kamusta nyo ako sa mga kaibigan natin, sa mga kapoker natin dyan.